Choosing the right stack, full stack versus MERN versus MERN. Let's compare them to find the best fit for your project. Full stack, the all-rounder. Handles both front-end and back-end. Good for well-rounded projects. Suitable for smaller teams. MERN stack, efficiency and security. Combines MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node.js. Cost-effective and secure. Great for cloud development. MERN stack, performance champion. MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. High performance, better for scalability. Ideal for handling heavy traffic. Key considerations. Your project requirements. Scale, complexity, and budget. Team expertise and scalability needs. Align your stack with your goals. Here's no one-size-fits-all. Choose based on your project's unique demands. Value Coders experts can guide you. Contact us today at www.valuecoders.com.